All right, contestants, let's move on to question number 4. What does the report identify as a force multiplier for AI adoption? All right, let's see. Teddy, you've chimed in first. What is your answer?
I will go with value stream management.
That's correct, Teddy. Congratulations. Value stream management is, in fact, something that is a force multiplier for AI adoption. If you've not yet done this with your team, I cannot recommend it enough. It is probably the best place to start. Visualize your entire software delivery pipeline, find the friction, and use AI to help eliminate that friction. All right, let's move on to our next question. Change lead time measures the amount of time it takes to go from, oh, Teddy, you've buzzed in first. Let's hear your answer.
From a commit to get into production.
Oh, excellent, excellent. That is correct. The change lead time is the time it takes to go from commit to getting your code into production. And Teddy, I believe you visualize this over on Datadog. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. So what we do is that we capture these deployment events to retrieve all of the commits that are including in there, and so we can compute all of this change time out of the box.
That is incredible. It's always good to have that fully automated so that you have the real system data. All right, contestants, let's move on to our final question for round 2, question number 6. Here we go. Which DORA metric measures the ratio of deployments that fail and require immediate intervention? Vivek, you've chimed in first. Let's hear your answer.
Answer is C, change failure rate.
That's correct. Answer C, the change failure rate. Oh, such a good close competition here. Teddy, tell us about change failure rate in Datadog.
So within Datadog, we capture change failure rate by actually capturing these remediation events, which can be either a rollback or a roll forward. And by doing that, we can also compute the change failure rates as well as the failed deployment recovery time directly.
That is amazing. All right, round 2 is complete. Congratulations. Let's head right into round 3.